Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights, and for today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I make my no-bake strawberry cheesecake. I can't even begin to tell you how good this cheesecake is. The texture is so creamy and light and fluffy. The strawberry flavor is so refreshing. This is seriously irresistible of a cheesecake, and I could not wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. Start by buttering a springform pan to prevent the cheesecake from sticking to the pan. Make sure to butter the sides as well. Set this aside while we make the crust for the cheesecake. I got here 9 graham crackers that I crushed in the food processor. Add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir this till it's well combined. Now add the crust mixture into the springform pan. And make sure to spread the crumbs around the pan. I'm using the bottom of a drinking glass to press the crust into the pan. This will make sure the crust is even. Now refrigerate this while we make the cheesecake. First, add about 3/4 pound of strawberries into a blender and puree the strawberries. Strain the puree to get rid of the seeds. This will give us a smooth cheesecake as well. Use a spatula to run the puree through the strainer. Once the puree is strained, you should get about 1 1/3 cup of puree. To the strained puree, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir this mixture till it's well combined. Set the puree to the side. Now in a mixing bowl, add in 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened. Beat the cream cheese till it's creamy. I'm using a hand mixer today, but you can also use a stand mixer to do this. Add in 1 cup of white chocolate that's melted and beat till the white chocolate is combined with the cream cheese. Pour the puree into the cream cheese mixture and beat till it's combined. I love the color the strawberry puree brings to this mixture. Put this to the side. Now I got here 1 small pack of gelatin. This should be about 1/4 of an ounce or 2 1/4 teaspoon. Add in 4 tablespoons of water and stir to combine. Set this aside for 5 minutes to bloom. In another mixing bowl, add in 3/4 cup of cold heavy cream, and by using a hand mixer, beat till you get soft to medium peaks. Now add the whipped cream into a strawberry mixture. And by using a spatula, fold the cream into the mixture till it's all combined really well. Folding the cream will give the final cheesecake a more creamy and light texture. Now it's time to microwave the gelatin that has been blooming. Microwave for about 30 seconds, stirring after 15 seconds. Once that's done, add in about 2 tablespoons of strawberry mixture into the gelatin and stir quickly. Pour this into the strawberry mixture and make sure to beat till the gelatin is well combined with the strawberry mixture. Now take the crust that was prepared earlier and pour the mixture into the pan over the crust. even out the top by using a spatula. Cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to set. Okay, this cheesecake was in the fridge overnight and it's ready to decorate. Run a flat spatula around the edges of the pan to release the cheesecake from the pan. I got here whipped cream that I whipped earlier to pipe on top of the cheesecake. I'm also using a Wilton star tip. Pipe the cream around the cheesecake. I'll be leaving the measurements and the ingredients for the whipped cream with this recipe. I love some fresh strawberries on top of the cheesecake, so I got strawberries that I thinly sliced. I'm just going to put the sliced strawberries over the whipped cream. I get excited every time I make this cheesecake because it just tastes divine. If you're a strawberry lover, this is the ideal dessert for you. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like,